हमको लगता है, और ये सही बात है कि जब तक हम लोग एक साथ नहीं होंगे हमारी आवाज़ को कोई सुनेगा नहीं। तो इसलिए इस सोच से हम लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं।
Sir, is NPP fully supporting the Greater Tripura?
You see, we are fighting for the rights of our indigenous people out here. And there are a lot of constitutional aspects that are there. We are looking for a good solution in which we are able to take up the issues. And yes, if the issue requires for us to look at Greater Tripura land, then yes, we are with them to work towards it. But we're looking at the solutions that can be there and whatever way in which we can support the people out here.
And how seriously do you think the sector should take the demand?
That depends on them. You have to ask them about it because it's something that they have to think about. But from our side, we want to continue the support and we want to fight and we want to be with the people out here and let them know that we are there. We've always felt that the issues and concerns of the Northeast are common in some areas. And because of the different languages and different cultures, sometimes we don't come together, even though the issues are very similar. And hence, unity is a positive way to move forward in order to be able to find solutions to our problems.